For what? Eat dog food?
Meg.
Oh, she's got her heels down this time.
Just seeing a video of it.
Oh, thank you, Oscar.
Oh,
That was...
oh, Mama, just calm down.
That jump is the same.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, heavens.
Going faster than I can go.
Yeah, oh good. Oh, thank heavens. Okay, that's the third one we've done in that group.
Mm-hmm.
Oh good. Now we just have to worry about 2'6". I really think I should go back to the car though.
Oh, Mama.
That was good, Joe. Good job, Em.
That's it.